In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in accounting. Let's start right from the dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation. Click on Sales to open the drop-down menu. This is where all your sales-related tools live, and you'll be coming back here often as you manage customers and transactions. From that menu, choose Invoices. This takes you to the Invoices section, where you can view any invoices you've already created and keep track of their status. To make a new one, look for the New Invoice button and click it. That opens a blank invoice template you can fill out. First, set your customer. If the customer already exists in your records, select them from the list. If not, choose Add a Customer. You'll be prompted for the customer's name and the payment currency. Take a moment to confirm the currency matches how your customer will pay. This helps keep amounts consistent and avoids confusion later. Next, move through the invoice information. Enter a clear invoice title so it's easy to identify at a glance. Add the billing details if they aren't already filled in, and set the date for when the invoice is issued. If you use order numbers or have an internal reference, add the order number field as well. You'll also see additional fields you can use as needed. Keep your entries consistent so your records stay tidy and searchable. Now it's time to add what you're billing for. Click Add an item to include your products or services. For each line item, enter the item name, a concise description that helps your customer understand what they're paying for, the quantity, and the price. As you go, the totals will auto-calculate based on what you enter. This makes it easy to see the running amount and ensures accuracy. Take a quick moment to review each line for spelling and numbers. Small corrections now save time later. When everything looks good, you have two options. If you're still working or want to keep it on file, click Save. This stores the invoice so you can come back to it, edit it, or send it later. If you're ready to deliver it to your customer right away, choose Send To. You'll be prompted to enter their email address, and you can include an optional message to add context or a friendly note. That's it. You've created an invoice in accounting, captured the right details, and prepared it to save or send with confidence.